What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Seafoam spray. It's a really easy process to use. You can buy it at any store for like $10, $11 or so. Basically it's to clean out your whole engine and stuff. It's a really simple process. So you're gonna need a two-man person for this, if Jason. So first things first, you're gonna get this little thing. You're gonna cut it to 1/4 of an inch. Basically all you do is you need to locate your intake. Make sure this is going towards the engine. You put it in. Make sure you seal it up like that. You put this inside your spray can. You're gonna have to spray it for like 5 to 8 minutes or so, basically until the whole can is empty. And then your second person is gonna be inside the car, revving it up to 2,000 RPM or so. Do that for like a good 5 minutes or so. Step is that you're gonna have someone else, a friend or anyone, to help you out to be inside the car and to rev it up to 2,000 RPM. Try to keep it still around 2,000 or so, not too high, not too low. Try to keep it there. Just keep revving that for like 5 minutes until the whole bottle clears up. So basically all you do now is just wait 5 to 10 minutes, squeeze the whole bottle in. My friend inside is doing it at 2,000 RPM. Just do it when the whole bottle is empty. Alright guys, so once you do that for a good time, make sure to clean up a little bit if the bottle went from that little thingy-jigger. So simple, take off the little thing, put your intake back in, grab your flathead, screw it right back up. And also to keep in mind that whenever you do this, you're gonna have a lot of smoke from your exhaust will come out. There's gonna be a lot of white smoke. That is completely normal. That means that it is doing its job.